Chomi, and then the
I don't understand why there should be condom reps next to our school. We are all young and have our whole life ahead of us. Sex is the last thing on our minds.
Please, Cushion, speak for yourself.
For now, but when I trust down, it's so not.
Girl, if you want to preach, go to the church or something. Tina, sit down, bed.
Be careful, girl. It doesn't go the other way around.
Oh, yeah, whatever.
Hey, Shom, here's homework.
Hey, Shomi, and then Zagamanza, but I don't
Hey, Shom, my mom is stressing me a lot. She wants me to be a doctor. All I want to do is to sing.
You know how parents can be.
You don't understand. We're fighting all the time and we don't agree on anything.
You need some time out. Let me take you out this Friday.
But
I'm not taking no for an answer.
Who's inside?
Was I born up?
Hey, excellent, lovely.
Hey,
girls,
hi, guys.
Hi.
You're right. You're right now. Show me now, my darling, I'm going to introduce you to your real world. As a matter of fact, I want to introduce you to a friend. Hey, guys.
Hey, hi.
You're right.
Hey, Ajax.
X-Men, you are looking fine as always.
Who's your hot, good-looking friend here?
This is my friend Cushion.
Oh, hey, Cushion.
Hi.
Can we talk privately?
Yeah.
Can you please make sure that we get those boxes before the start of the exam? Thank you. Bye. Take a seat, my child. How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks, and you, ma'am?
I'm fine. My child, I understand that you are having a problem here at school with almost all your teachers. It has also come to my attention that even at home, things are not good between you and your mother, to such an extent that you didn't come home since Thursday. Is that right, my child?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know what causes the tension between you and your teachers and now your parents. I don't understand what has come over you, but everyone who is concerned about your future and your welfare is worried about you. This has caused a lot of stress on your parents.
Are you also taking their side?
No, not at all. But what I'm trying to do here is to listen to your side of the story. But before that, your father asked me to plead with you to go home today after school because your mother is sick. She was taken to hospital by an ambulance about an hour ago.
Hospital? She was in good health last time I saw her.
That was Thursday morning. The kind of illness she has doesn't take long to show itself.
Please, ma'am, tell me what happened.
Your father says she has high blood pressure. That is why he's pleading with you to go home after school today. I'm sure he doesn't mean to fight with you. He is heartbroken, but everything is gonna be okay. Do you promise me you go home today after school?
You are quiet today. What's up? How did things go between you and your dad?
My dad is heartbroken. He is under a lot of stress, especially after my fighting mom and me leaving home.
So?
My dad is cool with me, and I also don't want to stress him anymore. From now, I'm going to stay at home and be good to my parents. I don't want to sleep around anymore.
Wambulala. Ngoku bese uthathile wambulala. Ngoku buyela kokona akho akufuni into idibanisa nabantu abahambelala. Siqala kakubi lo.
I didn't mean in that way. I'm sorry, Ayabong. What I mean is that I have to change my lifestyle to be able to pursue my studies.
Talk about
man is nothing. I didn't like the way she was friendly with her boyfriend when we at the nightclub. If we are not careful, this lad will take him.
What's up, chum? You do not looking happy lately. What's eating you? What's gonna kill you?
The things I'm doing to my parents. Khumbula ndanduxelela about the changing of my lifestyle. Because I want to study hard to obtain good symbols to get to university.
What's there to kill you? Sound good to me.
I received a scholarship to study medicine in Havana in Cuba.
Hey, Chom. I envy you with damn Savanna for Havana, but soon you'll be dating Havana. Congratulations, baby girl. That's good news.
Bad news is that I won't be going Havana anymore.
Who says you can't go?
I'm pregnant and I can't tell my parents. If it doesn't kill my mom, my father will kill me. So I don't want to sleep around anymore.
You not have to tell them. I have someone who will. It's not end of the world. You can apply at any South African universities to pursue your studies after giving birth. Remember, our universities rate among the best in the world.
I'm afraid.
Come on, it won't kill you. No one will. Now, the rest depends on you.